Hello guys, today we are going to unbox the yarns that are from Australia, so stay tuned. This yarn I believe is from Lincraft and it's called Esther 8-ply yarn 100 grams. You can check the back of the label. It says made in China and it has care instructions and the color is beige and it's 100% polyester. I have purple, gray, hot pink, cornflower, dark green, sunshine. This one is from Payton's. It's called Big Baby. It is also 8-ply, 60% acrylic and 40% nylon. It doesn't have a specific color, but you can see the details. It has barcodes and specific lot. Also care instructions is indicated and you can check the recommended needle size in there. This one is made in India and I think this is the only yarns that my sister bought that is made from India. Lastly, I got this Lincraft DK double yarn and it's I think multicolored. You can find out the details on the label. It has care instructions. It's still made in China as well. And I'm about to make something from it. In my next video, I'm going to show you the differences between the local yarns that we have versus these yarns that I just have gotten from my sister, and we'll see the difference from there. Thank you so much and see you in my next video.